this for the new model of Toyota. Okay.
Okay na yun.
This the old model for Toyota.
Wait mo. Okay.
First, we will go to generate remote smart key. Then wireless remote smart key. There's more type for this. We have FT for old model Toyota. We had XD for Kia Hyundai, and the newest model is LT20 and the LT30. This LT30 for 4A for 4A Toyota. So let's try for the old model. Put it here, then go to LT, then you go to LT. Convert smart key type. Then should be the device connected to the Wi-Fi or internet connection. Then okay, just put to the slot and okay. By selecting key type, then this the old model, this the new model. So should go to old model because this type is for old model. Then okay, then choose which one you need. For the original key, you will choose here which one you need to generate for this remote, or which one original key have chip. So for example, this A433D for Land Cruiser 2010. So okay, then Land Cruiser 2010, it should be always ASK 9092, ASK, FSK for Prado, ASK for Land Cruiser. So okay, then you can change which one you want. You can change to unlock this first button or lock, but it should be lock, unlock, trunk, panic. But this one you can change also for big trunk, rear window, whichever you like. So just okay. Yeah, generation successful. So this one ready to program from on the car. You want to change the frequency, see, you can go here, modify frequency. Okay, okay. Changing frequency, put down frequency. Okay, and currently frequency 43.92. So if you want to change, just change, choose anyone here, so it will be changed. For example, this one 315. Okay, then it's 315 already. Special function, if you want to check frequency detection, now see 315.